It's chicken legs. It's a balsamic vinegar and garlic marinade. Chicken legs that you throw in the fridge for several hours or even the night before, even better. Throw them on the grill or into the oven. And in a few minutes, you've got chicken on a stick. Delicious. And we're gonna pair it with a really simple green tomato salad. All the same ingredients, equally delicious when the tomatoes turn red. And some grilled corn. Couldn't be easier. So for the marinade, we're going to take about 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 4 cloves of garlic, give it a good whack, a fat splash or about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a fat spoonful of chili paste, and about a half a cup of olive oil. That's your marinade, and you could let the chicken hang out in there. I season the drummers separately, throw them into a baggie, zip it up, and away you go. I've got some ready to go in the oven, 425 in the oven on a wire rack on a foil-lined baking sheet. And you cook these until the skin is tight and they're very crispy. See you in a bit, boys. Girls, I should say. When we come back, we're going to make our 2 side dishes right after this. Hey guys, welcome back. So this time of year, green tomatoes are in season. It's just green tomatoes and red onions. And for acidity, I use a couple of limes, good fruity olive oil. Pink peppercorn is delicious in this too, and a nice little pop of color. Over the shoulder for luck, mint and parsley. That's it. That's all that's in the salad. You let this hang out for a few minutes, I promise you it's addictive. It is the most delicious salad. Lovely. For our starch, we're going to use beautiful ears of corn. I tie back the husks just because it looks cute. So I sprayed them just lightly with a touch of cooking spray. Throw them on the outdoor grill, of course, or your indoor grill pan. And then we're gonna parm them up. We're gonna brush them. We're going to brush them with a little bit of crushed garlic, with a little bit of butter and olive oil. Brush them with a little crushed garlic butter and sprinkle them with a little parm cheese and parsley. It's delicious. It tastes like garlic bread, but it's corn on the cob. We've got some of these grilling. I'll show you what the legs look like, and we'll make a plate when we come back. So our corn, once it gets charred up all over, we're gonna slather it with a little bit of that garlic butter, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of fresh parm cheese, a little bit of parsley, adorable, yummy, delicious. And then we take our oven-baked balsamic chicken drummers. Yes, we do. And then we finish it off with a pile of green tomato salad. Nice, right?